Good morning, students. Today's class. Last class I took 9 sums. Now I start 10th sum. What should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 9, 2 by 5? Solution. What should, which number you don't know. So you will take a x. You take x. This x I am right here. What should be added? X added for use the symbol is plus. So plus symbol. Which number? Minus 8 by 9 to get equal to get the answer is equal to 2 by 5. Understand this first step? What should, which number we don't know, you take x. Added, use the symbol is plus. Minus 8 by 9 to get the answer. So equal to 2 by 5. Next step, you remove the box and write x plus minus symbol here starting for you use in the bracket. Minus 8 by 9 equal to 2 by 5. X equal to this minus plus into minus minus x minus 8 by 9 equal to 2 by 5. Okay, this 8 by 9 equal to after go means plus symbol. So x equal to 2 by 5 plus 8 by 9. X equal to these two numbers also different number. So take LCM, easy method is cross multiplication. 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 8 5s are 40. So 18 plus 40 divided by 45. X equal to 58 by 45. Answer 58 by 45. What should 58 by 45 added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5. This sum about any doubt? See and write. 11th sum. Subtract a minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. So question is, what is the question? Subtraction sum. So minus 17 by 11 from next minus 17 by 11 is there. So you write it minus 17 by 11. First you write subtraction for use the symbol is minus. Next number is write in the bracket minus 8 by 44. Now next step, remove the bracket. You write in minus 17 by 11 minus into minus plus 8 by 44 is equal to, now you cancel here. Fourth table use and cancel the number. 4 2s are 8. 11 4s are 44. So equal to minus 17 by 11 plus 2 by 11. Now two numbers also same number. So write in one time. First number is, what is the number? Minus 17 by 17. Next plus symbol plus 2. So minus 17 plus 2. You want to add or subtract? Subtract. Why you want to subtract? Difference, unlike sign you must do in the subtraction. So minus 17 plus 2, minus first 17 minus 2 equal to 15. 2 is greater or 17 is greater? 17 is greater. Nearby symbol is minus. So minus 15 by 11 is the answer. Answer minus 15 by 11. 12th sum. First sum evaluate. 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. Write it the question. 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. 3 and 9 is possible in third table. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 into minus 11 divided by 2 into 1. 3 into, here come the answer, 3 into minus 11 divided by 2 into 1. Now 3 11s are 33, 1 2 is 2. Here symbol is minus, here any symbol also there, not which symbol is there? Plus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 33 by 12. Second sum, minus 7 by 27 into 24 divided by minus 35. Minus 7, question right again, minus 7 divided by 27 into minus 24 divided by 35. 7 and 35 is possible in 7th table. 1 7 is 7, 5 7s are 35. Here 24 and 27 possible in 3rd table. 3 8s are 24, 9 3s are 27. Here minus symbol, minus 1. Here minus symbol, here minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 8 divided by 9 into 5. Minus into minus plus 8 by 45. Here write the plus symbol also correct. Not right means also correct there. 13th sum divide. Very easy. Listen very carefully. Minus 21 divided by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. Solution write and again write it the question. Minus 21 by 5. This by word instead of you put in symbol is division symbol. Next fraction is minus 7 by 10. Understand or not? This by instead of you write it in divide. Minus 21 by 5. Now this division change into the multiplication. Division change into the multiplication. Next fraction write in the reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Numerator write in denominator, denominator write in numerator. Then before first multiplier, minus into minus plus. 10 numerator from right, 7 you write in denominator, 10 by 7. Now 7 and 21 is possible in 7th table. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 27. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So up number is, what is the number? Here minus symbol you write in here minus. Minus 3 into plus 2. Plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. Answer is minus 6. Second Roman letter, minus 3 by 13 by minus 3. Solution, minus 3 by 13. This by instead of what the writer in division symbol. Next is the whole number. You write in rational number. Minus 3 by 1 write. Minus 3 by 13. Now division change into the multiplication. Reciprocal write in the second fraction. Reciprocal. So 3 by 1 equal to what is the value? 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Here minus symbol, here put in the minus symbol. Now any number also can't able to cycle. Possible there. 1 3 is 3. Here 1. Here minus symbol, there you write it in minus symbol. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 13 into 1. 113 is 13. Answer is plus 1 by 13. Third question, minus 2 by minus 6 by 15. Minus 2 whole number, how do they write in rational form? By 1. So minus 2 by 1. By instead of division symbol. Next fraction is minus 6 by 15. Minus 2 by 1. Division change into the multiplication. Next fraction write in the reciprocal. 15 numerator, 6 is denominator. Minus 15 by 6. Now 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 3 5s are 15. Here minus 1. Here minus 5. So minus into minus plus. Number is, what is the number? 1 5. 1 5 is 5. 5 by 1 equal to 5. Simplify. 14th sum. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divide 3 by 10 as a rational number. So what they find first, if this is the rational number or not, want to check. Coming answer, show that it is between 6 and 7. Come the answer lies between 6 and 7. The number line to want to find. Question is solution 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided 3 by 10. Now two number also different, take in the LCM. Easy method is cross multiplication. So 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Next symbol is plus. 3 5s are 15. Next symbol is division, 3 by 10. First bracket work. 4 plus 15 equal to 19 by 10. Division change into the reciprocal, division change into the multiplication, next fraction write in the reciprocal. 10 by 3, 110 is 10, 110 is 10. 19 by 3 only balance. What is the answer? 19 by 3. This 19 by 3 you mark on the number line. First step is 19 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 right after immediately what the right? 6 and 7 in between numbers. So answer is 6 quotient, remainder 1, divide number 6 1 by 3. Draw a number line. 6 and 7 is very very important. 6 and 7 first you write. 6 and 7. How many lines want to draw in between? See that down number is 3, 3 before number is 2. 1, 2 line want to draw. Here have the 1. First part for you write in here 1. So question is, what is the question? 19 by 3. So this number definitely come in 6 and 7 between only. So answer yes, it is lies between 6 and 7. 15th question. Write 5 rational number which are less than -2. All integers are rational numbers. Whatever give the number. Integers meaning is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3. So all the numbers are, what is the number? Integers. These integers and all rational number. How? See there, for example you draw a number line. So here writing in 0, minus 1, minus 2, next what the writer? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So answer also minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, etc. are rational numbers. This is a 5 rational numbers. Asking in 5 rational numbers for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right means over the work. 16th question. Compare the following pairs of rational numbers. Compare this, given the fraction you want to compare. Compare meaning is which fraction is bigger number or smaller number want to find. So minus 11 by 5 first fraction. Second fraction is minus 21 by 8. 11 by 5. Here down fraction, next fraction for denominator from what is the number? 8. This 8 here want to multiple. 8 by 8. Next comma. Minus 21 by 8. Before fraction denominator is 5. This 5 there you multiple. 5 into 5. 11 8s are 88. 5 8s are 40. 21 into 5. 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 105 divided by 40. Here symbol is what symbol? Minus. Minus. Here symbol is plus. Plus into minus. Minus. Minus 88 by 40. Here minus into plus, minus 105 by 40. Now which is bigger? Minus 88 is big or 105 is bigger? 105 no. Why? That minus value, small number is the big number. So minus 88 by 40 is big rational number. Minus 105 by 40 is small rational number. So this answer minus 88 for what is the question? Minus 11 by 5 is greater. Greater, big side big number, small side small number. Next sum, minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. The same method only. Again you listen the class. Minus 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. So these two you want to multiple here. 2 2s are 4. 2 table to come 4 are not coming. So first you write in minus 3 by 4. Next comma, here you put in comma. Next fraction is minus 1 by 2. How many 2s are 4? 2 2s are 4. That 4 where there need? Here next fraction for only need. So 2 by 2 you want to multiple there. So minus 3 by 4. 1 into 2 minus. Minus 2 by 4. Now 2 is bigger. 3 is bigger. Minus value. Small number is the big number. Minus 2 is the big number. So big number, big side. This is small number. So minus 3 by 4 is the small rational number. Minus 2 by 4 is the big rational number. 17th question. Arrange the following rational numbers ascending and descending order. This is the question. So this numerator denominator is see there. Minus 5 by 12, minus 11 by 8, minus 15 by 24, minus 7 by minus 9. This number only change. Minus into minus is what is the answer? Plus. So minus into minus plus for here also put in plus symbol plus symbol. Now take all the denominator number is different number must want to take in the LCM. LCM of 12, 8, 24, 9, 36. Take the LCM. First you select in two table. How many 2s are 12? 6 2s are 12. So 6 you say no, this 6 here you write. How many 2s are 8? 4 2s are 8. How many 2s are 24? 12 2s are 24. 9 is possible, remaining 1 is there coming. So not possible, you write straightly 9. Next 1 12 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Next take the table also, 2 table. How many 2s are 6? 2 3s are 6. So 3 right. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are, how many 2s are 12? 6 2s are 12. 9 not possible, right. 9 2s are 18. Next you selecting third table. 1 3 is 3. 2 not possible. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Next 2 table 1. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 3 2 3 is also not possible in 2 table. As it is, what is there have? You write 3. 1 1 1 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So here this all the factors want to multiple. What is the number? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 into 3 extra 3. 6 4s are 24 into 3. 24 3s are 72. Now LCM equal to what is the answer? LCM is equal to 72. Now one by one write it the fraction into dash equal to 72. All the one for the same. Into dash equal to by 72. Into dash equal to by 72 write. How many 12s are 72? 6 12s are 72. So here you write 6. There also write in 6. 6 5s are 30. Here minus symbol, there plus symbol. Plus into minus, minus. 8 dash are 72. 9 8s are 72. There also write in 9. 9 11s are 99 plus into minus minus. 24 dash are 32. 24 3s are 32. Here write in 3. 72. So 24 3s are 72. 15 3s are 45. There minus symbol, plus into minus minus. 9 8s are 72. There also write in 8. 8 7s are 56. Next 32. 32 2s are 72. So here you write in 72. 32 to 36 2s are 72. Sorry, 36 2s are 72. 12 2s are 24. Ascending order, big number, minus value, big number is small number. Minus value, big number is small number. So which is the big number here? Minus 99. So first write it minus 99 by 72. Next number minus 45 by 72. Next minus 30 by 72. These two number, see there minus symbol and all they are not. So 56 is because 24 is a bigger, smaller. 24 is the small number. 24 by 72. 56 by 72. Write it the answer. 99 for what is the question? Minus 11 by 8. 45 for question is minus 15 by 24. Minus 30 for answer is minus 5 by 2. 24 12 by 36. 56 for question is 7 by 9. Now descending order, come this ascending order question you write in last to write 7 by 9, 12 by 36, 5 by 12, minus 20, 15 by 24, minus 11 by 8. Ascending order number small to big. Small to big. Descending order big to small. Minus 17, second question, minus 17 by 10, minus 7 by 5, 0. 0, this all the number is rational number, so by 1 the right, 0 by 1. Minus 2 by 4, minus 19 by 20. This all the number, denominator all the number is different number, take the LCM. 10, 5, 1, 4, 20. LCM is fifth table. 2 5s are 10, 1 5 is 5, 1 same as it is right, 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 1 1 1 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again take the table is 2 table, 1 1 straightly write 1, this number central not possible, write straightly enough, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Remaining factors 1 to multiple, 5 into 2 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, LCM equal to 20. Now LCM is equal to 20 right after 1 by 1 write it the fraction, minus 17 by 10, minus 7 by 5, 0 by 1, minus 2 by 4, minus 19 by 20. 10 2s are 20, here you write in 2. 17 2s are 34, minus symbol, minus into plus minus. 5 4s are 20, there also write in 4. 7 4s are 28, plus into minus minus. 1 into 20, 120 is 20, here you also write in 20, 0 into 20 is 0. Next 5 4s are 25, 5 2s are 10, plus into minus is minus. 120 is 20, here write in 1, minus 119 is 19, minus 19. Now see that which number first one, right? Minus value big number, minus value big number is minus 34 by 20. Next minus 28 by 20. Next 19 by 20. Minus 10 by 20. Last only write in 0 by 20. Minus 34 for what is the question? Minus 17 by 10. Alternate. Minus 7 by 5. Minus 19 by 20. Minus 2 by 4. 0 by 20 for answer is 0. 0 by 1 is the answer. Descending order, big number to write in small number. Reversely write 0, minus 2 by 4, minus 19 by 20, minus 7 by 5, minus 17 by 10.